Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 20 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, access settings, scroll all the way down and go into system. Now choose languages and input on screen keyboard and Gboard. Then go into theme and tap on show more to see all available ones. When you're done, click on one of those images, tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to disable or enable them and tap apply. But you can also do the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!